So welcome to another episode, and in this one I obtained this model from Sketchfab. It's for this nice artist who's gratefully shared it with us, CG Post. This is the model. Nice texture, amazing, really nice work, and the modification and the rust and the fans. So what I was thinking is to try to use vellum balloon for these 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons, and to the use of pressure also to inflate it, and then with some wind to push it up while it will carry the car with it. So I'll go through the scene quickly. So here I start first. Let's go to the no camera. So that's the scene I imported. Using the script I shared with you in the previous video to merge the files together. It will work on any kind of geometry, not only FBX. So I select it all and I merge it here, but in this one I just use the copy and merge. So this is the geometry. Give it a second. So I make it smaller. Here it is. Then I start to divide its part. So this is the first balloon, and this is the second one, third one, and the fourth one, by using the split. And then at the end, these are the ropes. I try to simulate them alone as a rope or as a strain or as hair or as a glue, but the sim become very heavy, so I went through another route. I'll show you. And here is the rest of the object. This is the car. What I did here, like this first balloon, I merge it with its wire, make them one object, see, and fuse it so they are one piece. Because without the fuse, they'll have a lot of artifacts. And I give it an attribute name. And I added a vellum cloth. So this is the cloth. Stiffness of 600. Damping is low, and stiffness is for the bend is the normal one. And then I added the vellum pressure, also 600 pressure. And I did this for the rest of the 4 balloons. After that, this is one trial for one of the balloons. So let's just have a look. Because it's getting heavy, but what I did here, as you will see, see the balloon go down. Okay, it's inflating. To make it inflate more, I increase the wrist length, because if it's only one, let me remove the background, because if it's only one it will shrink. So I increase the wrist length, so the minute the simulation kick in, it will try to go to this size 1.3. See how it inflates a little bit, pushing the ropes and everything for more action. I did this for all the 4 balloons. This is the constraint. There's no collision geometry, and this is the solver. Just I catch it over here. But what I did first, see, I put a pop wind up in 5 with some noise. Good. After that, I went to the other part, and that's the car. So I was thinking, how can I just write it here? How to make a vellum object, how to force a rigid static object that is not in the sim of the vellum to follow its generated animation. Because I tried to make where is it? Vellum. Like shape match, it didn't work very well. Strut glue, it's very heavy. So I was thinking about something else. So I tried to animate first the vellum, then using the vellum animation to drive the car animation. So I pack it all in one point. So this is the car. I packed it as one point, so it will go easy. And then I tried to use the near point transfer, but it's so heavy. I use the extract transform node. The first input is for the source geo, second one is the rest position, the third one is the target. I start by frame 1 and it start to kick in the transformation. See, the point is moving. So point is moving, driven by the balloon animation. Then I unpack it. Then I went with the material. For the material I used the let's write it here, 3delight, because now they have for Houdini 19 also free download. It's very nice, easy to understand. It's my first render with it, so I'm just still learning it. What else we have here? Anyway, so you can download it, install it, and it will have a shelf tool, shelf 3delight, and you'll have a render also. Let's go to the first frame. Before the render, the material. So I added a material. I used the 3dlight's principal material, very good material between glass, metal, carbon. I give it this nice color, light glass, aluminium. So we go to the outside. Here I use the camera rig. This is the camera rig, and I attach the camera to it with the camera rig like this. And you add a camera, attach it to it. Let me hide this and this. Ctrl G. So let's disconnect first. So when you create the camera, it will go to the origin. The moment you parent it, it will go with it. So you can control it by the rig. I'm moving it backward. Let's go back a little bit. Here you can control the side. It will move from side to side, here, forward and backward. And for the crane itself, you can increase the length, rotate band. This is how you rotate and tilt up and down, and bow up and down. And here another secondary control if you wish. But for the rotation of the, because always it is pointing, it's pointing in one direction. So for this one, I just use the camera on rotation. So let me delete this one and go to my camera, merge, I merge everything together. Now in the render out, 3delight, you can start the IBR, so it's very nice. Give it a second to kick in. Immediately it starts to render. And it's very fast, about to finish, see. also they have also 3D render. They have the cloud, and when you subscribe they will give you, let's find here, 3D cloud, they will give you 1000 minutes of cloud rendering. I just gave it a test yesterday, and you can buy. Very cool, very quick. So they give you a bonus of 1000. So they are doing amazing job. I'm going through it, and it's my first use of 3delight, so I'll give more tutorial later on the more I found out. And even their lights, HDRI, environment light, you can hook up HDRI and you have the lighting. See? And it's interactive, like, let's go to the light, transform. I'll just rotate it. Gonna keep it on the top. Stay on top. Oh, let's rotate. See, it's interactive, very fast. Even my GPU is very old. Let me zoom on the car. I give it funky colors. This is the glass, very nice. Let's go to another frame. Immersive lighting, I use it here. Material, light glass, no reflection, only condense. Let's put this color, or maybe orange. Very cool. See, very fast response. I didn't materialize all of the car, just was experimenting with its material, but I'm very impressed. I will share with you the file, and you know from where to get the model. And thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.